for sure have weed in the M5. Let's try to get some. It's a rainy day today. Whatever you want, bro. Start right up. Rainy day, go to the M5, grab some weed, and then we become spinning boys. Alright, lately I've been in my feelings. I'm not sure if it's because I'm been broke, or the gloomy weather, or a combination of two. JK, I'm actually in my feelings simply because my car has been looking like this lately. It's a bittersweet moment. You know, I don't have a garage to park it, but I mean, it kind of looks cool in the elements, but then it kind of doesn't. Anyways, today it's raining, as you can see, and we're arming up the E30. Rain plus E30 equals madness. How much power you got, bro? 800? 800. I gotta get an outside shot.
Like do a baby slide.
Jason! RIP. How do you feel about that one?
That's pretty good.
You wanna do it again or you good?
I can.
Yeah. I trust you, but don't take me out. Send it. It's just me, or is the main just the rain make you want to just pee more? Alright, here we go. Sheesh. Exactly. Making it not fun. You can't tell which is the sky or the ocean.
It's both.
That's pretty well. It's both. It's both.
Where we go?
We left. Yeah.
What the hell is this place?
Bro, it's like if Corona hit and the Omicron hit and they combined, this is what we'll be at. It's like, if you just look right there, the fucking zombies will pop up. It's pretty sketch, huh?
It's groupie as fuck right here, dude. Dude, we have all these houses right here. There's a fucking housing crisis in California, and they're just literally sitting right here.
Tell it to the government, man.
Dude, this is fucking wild.
Like,
what the fuck?
The windows are broken. Dude, they got sick garages too.
Imagine we just pull up right here. We needed a place to work on the cars, and we're like, yeah, we don't have a place to do this right now.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure we get run up by fucking bums or crackheads. Look at that garage right there. It's busted open.
Someone's probably in there right now.
Should I go inside?
Not really, no.
My bad. I mean, I think that's about it. I ran out of battery and film. But yeah, we had fun in the rain.
Morning, top of the morning, top of the morning.
It's cold, that motherfucker. But we had it. We had it again. Another day, another dollar. That much closer to buying the M5 part. At $519. Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Alright, I gotta go to work. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I've been driving for like 6 hours. I haven't been doing much besides working. Lyft is one of my side hustles. That's why I kind of bought a Prius. So I always know the Prius can make money in the long run. I've been driving like a damn madman, man. I could have been to New York already and back in 1 week of time. Let's get this shit. Good morning, America. We got a couple things to do. Right now I'm gonna head to a car meet, so that should be cool. Film that, get a couple shots of some cool cars. I'm just taking you guys everywhere, man. This is like a vlogging. I'm a vlogger, so I'm just vlogging with you guys. We're on our way to go pick up something pretty cool, so I can't wait to show you guys that. Car meet was epic, but now hopefully we don't run out of gas. And it's only 85, so we're gonna go to the spot and then we pump. Just tag along, let's get it. Let's get this shit. Your boy got a shop. We just put up to the shop. I'm just kidding. One day we're gonna have a shop. I did pull up to the shop, but it's my homie's Jay's shop. Jay made some stuff for us. There you go. I was wondering.
Look at this one. Ready?
Let me see. Which side am I looking at?
You're gonna look at the front.
Alright, go. Let me see. Oh, shit. That's crazy. I don't know if you guys know it. I didn't know. But that you put temperature changing ink on it?
Yeah, it's a UV active ink.
Oh shit, that's
It's fire.
I'll show you guys more later right now. Copyright, bro. Came through, bruh.
Good shit, man. I like it. I love
Dude,
it.
thank you.
You gotta run these up, man.
Look at that. Well, yeah, if anybody does want to buy one, description below. Real quick, the sunset behind us is amazing. Got a better shot of the sunset. Look at this. We're at the dog beach. Go play, mamas. Jesus Christ. It's pretty beautiful. To be honest, the amount of working I've been doing, if I don't come to like something like this in nature, I think I'll go insane. Like I need a little bit of a nature check when I'm working too much. So, this is just amazing right here. I'm glad I get to show you a little piece of it, you know, caught it right when it was setting. Alright, see you guys in the morning. I've been driving the Prius like way too much. I mean, I kind of needed that E30 fun because, to be honest, I started getting depressed and sad when I just drive the Prius over and over and over. I know this video was a little different. I gotta explain some stuff. So basically, what I was saying was, I've been doing YouTube for a little bit now, right? And I realized that I'm getting older and time's just passing. And there's like a lot of stuff that I want to do. I forgot to mention that I kind of have a problem. I'm gonna just be honest, you know? I try to be honest with you guys. I go out and about, and I guess my pride is too high because I'm filming a video, and in my head I have this picture. I want my content to come out as best as possible. So, like, when it doesn't really come out how I want it, I shelf it. I shelf the clip. Just store it on my computer. Like, I have a lot of clips. How about we just make use for it? It's like a lot of clips like this.
1, 2, 3, 4. Bum. 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 Bum.
So basically, what I was saying was, I realized I'm gonna have to do some sacrifices because of right now, I don't really like to sell my cars. I don't really like to sell anything, to be honest. But moving on in the future, this is what I'm saying. I'm gonna be more about my money, you feel me? More about my bread. So basically, I'm just gonna kind of like, you know, sell more stuff, be out there, just trying to make shit happen because I thought it was just gonna be handed to me. Like the universe was like, yo bro, you wanna build cool cars? Here's this part, here's that part. But after buying the part for the M5, I realized this shit's gonna take hard work. So I'm just gonna start selling things left and right. Like literally, probably my soul might be up for sale. I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna sell more things is what I'm saying. There's a lot of builds that I wanna do. I can't just do it by like having my fingers crossed and just hope that, oh, the channel blows up one day. I gotta take matters in my own hands, you feel me? So I appreciate everybody that watches the videos. Like, all y'all is my niggas, and I fuck with you heavy. Just wanted to share with you because, you know, look at like this car. This car's been calling my name right there. You see that? I wanna do like epic build with that. You know, epic build, all kinds of cars. It's just the thing is, that small creator, bruh. Lack of funding. But things changing, y'all, and just want to catch you up to speed. So, I don't know if I'm going to end this video or if it's going to keep going, but you'll see right now. Sheep, sheep, homa.